Hey, good morning, guys. This is Mac. Today, I want to go ahead and take you guys through a quick tutorial on how to go ahead and swap from Tezos to Plenty. And to do that, you need to first head over to Quipuswap. So, Quipuswap website is right here, quipuswap.com. And as of right now, this is the only way, unless you have Temple Wallet installed. And I'll show you that in a different tutorial if you want to go ahead and swap using Temple Wallet. So, go ahead and connect your wallet like I just did. You want to select the token, select Tezos. Then you want to select Plenty. Okay, so it looks like I have one Tezos. I'm going to go ahead and transfer 0.2 Tezos. And it will auto-calculate the Plenty for me. Press Plenty, right? Just a second. Let me check. Okay, there we go. So it calculated the Plenty for me. Oops. And then we just hit swap right here, okay? And then hit confirm. You don't need to worry about changing any of these parameters or anything. Now, this confirmation is going to take between 15 to 30 seconds, so just wait for a couple seconds. Okay, look at the bottom right hand corner, it says complete. So now you should be able to go to your wallet, and you can probably see that there's going to be some Plenty in here. Yep, right there you can see. It takes a second to load, but it'll pop up eventually. Okay, so you can see I have 137 in Plenty. Okay, so that's it for the tutorial. Please head to my next tutorial if you want to see how to go ahead and use the Plenty swapping mechanism on their site.